because she let so many people on with kids and women who didn't have tickets and was like, come on, get on. So yeah, she deserves like some kind of medal or something in the future for what she did just then. Amazing people here in the Ukraine.
Well done, mate. Well done, mate. I'm shocked we made it on. We made it. We did.
Let's see how this journey goes though.
Yeah.
Bye-bye, Kyiv. And good luck. This is how you survive on a refugee train.
He doesn't know where to
on the train a couple of legends who were travelling. They don't know where they're going either. They just jumped on this train. They're like, okay, let's get out of Kyiv. I think that was everyone's plan, basically, just escape. And now he's stolen my beer.
me, man.
Hey, come on. He said, are you Russian? I said, no, but I speak Russian. He said, well, give me your beer. That's what happened. And now he's just drinking it, helping himself. Yeah, of course.
Like a lot of people in Russia, so because it's one madman and maybe some team that's supporting him, but it's not the whole country.
Yeah. There's a lot of protests in,
in
in Russia that
but
says they don't want to.
Also,
But people there are also controlled, so they hate him, but there's not much they can do.
yes, it's like in Belarus as well.
With Lukashenko, absolutely the same. What do you do in this situation?
Why all the world say like we're supporting you, but they do nothing?
Because if they involve themselves militarily, then it could really escalate and become like maybe even a bigger war. That's what people are afraid of, that it becomes a European war, and then who knows, America gets involved, it's a world war.
Yes, it's like...
And so unfortunately we say like we support you, but really we're not willing to support you militarily. I'm going to try some Ukrainian nalivka, which is alcohol, sweet alcohol.
Not this. This
Not this. That's
It's just fuzzy drink.
it's a children's alcoholic drink.
Children in Ukraine are so tough.
Oh, okay. Yep. Okay.
Want to try?
Try some nalivka. Nalivai nalivka.
Yeah.
That's why it's nalivka.
Ah, okay.
Enjoy it.
Come on, we're doing the
apple
nalivka.
juice.
It's
That's gonna be a good footage.
Oh, I like it.
give you all the cigarettes.
I've been given some Velo nicotine, which is now. She's trying to turn me into a nicotine Velo addict. But let's see what happens. Thank you, I appreciate that. Yeah. What lovely people
it's
on
only
the
for
train.
80 ages consumers.
80 ages?
18, sorry.
Am I older or younger than 18? What do you think?
Oh, sorry. I sleep 1 hour.
Okay.
So I don't remember 18 it's old or 18. I don't remember the difference because between 80.
I think she's saying I'm 80. Are you saying I'm 80? It looks completely different here than it does in Kyiv. Much more peaceful. I mean, we feel like 1,000 miles away from the war, in a sense we are. I mean, these little villages here in the pretty mountains of the Carpathian region. Well, what do you reckon, Johnny?
Yeah. I was here for Drago brought the ski resorts, and yeah, the Carpathian people are tough people, so we're gonna be good.
Poi? Из Fiji или где-то. Да. Я помню ему. We like a famous boxer.
Будет скучно в Англии, не приезжайте.
Хорошо, буду, 100%. Все будет хорошо здесь, не переживайте. Удачи, слава Украине. Дружка, держись. Спасибо за трудность. Well, we made it on the Refugee Express. The cats, the dogs, the babies, the children, the mums, the dads, the babushkas, the jedushkas, Johnny, me. We've made it.
Вон тот, который перед вами.
Нет? Ужгород, брат. Да, Ужгород. Давайте.
Вот давай.
Wow. You travel in style when you try and escape Ukraine. Check it out, a real Soviet electrichka. Wow. What a train this is. This is unchanged since Soviet times, this train. Wow, look at it. Well, although we've not crossed the border into Hungary yet, it already feels like we're there. This part of Ukraine was taken from Hungary by the Soviet Union. And the houses that we're passing, the villages, the people, the language here in Ukraine and this part of Ukraine is Hungarian. The signposts are all written in Hungarian. It shows you just how varied Ukraine is. Wow, look at it. Yeah. So we've had a change of plan. We've come to the town of Chop on the border with Hungary. Let's go and see if we can get across the border. See what the queues are like, or if maybe none at all. Wow, look. Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay. Wow, check it out. So we're queuing up here to buy a ticket across the border on the train, and then after we bought the ticket, we queue up, well, later on today at the exit gate, basically here, and yeah, cross into Hungary, fingers crossed. And these are all the refugees that are leaving Ukraine, going to Hungary. Look, how many people are here? A lot of people.
You realize you are also a refugee now, right?
I'm a refugee, yeah, I'm officially a refugee. Going back to, well, I'm going back to a comfortable life in Prague, so I can't complain too much. But I don't know what's happening to some of the other people that are leaving everything behind.
Ми можемо виїхати, мене випустять за кордон, якщо я з дитиною без матері, бо мати в Харкові.
Одну до Венгрии, пожалуйста, один билет. Паспорт вам нужен? Спасибо. Wow. Got our ticket to Hungary.
Залезли, сука, как всегда, как тараканы ёбаные.
There are like fights breaking out down the front at the front of the queue, people trying to get in, people desperate to leave Ukraine basically. Hundreds of people now in this hall just filling up in this queue to get out of here.
Очередь, сука, там, а не то. Вот.
They've opened the doors again. Let's see if we get in. Wow, it's going to be a struggle.
Давайте мы не на чемодан.